Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Instagram failed to load aerial. Message on phone IOL chat not showing. Okay, let's start the video. Are you seeing the fail to load aerial message error while viewing Instagram chat? Here how to fix it. Let's fix this problem without any further delay. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Instagram apps. Now tap on search bar and search for Instagram apps. Now tap on Instagram apps. Now tap on update. Is currently updating. The update is complete. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step by step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Find the Instagram apps here or tap on the search icon. Now search for Instagram apps. Now tap on Instagram apps. Scroll down, now tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and clear data. After that, now tap on force stop and OK. After that, now go back your home screen and restart your device. After that, now go to your Instagram apps. Now tap on profile icon. Now tap on three dot icon in the corner. Scroll down. Now tap on help. Now tap on report a problem and tap on report problem. Now tap on include and continue. Now type your problem here. You can use the format provided in this video. Now tap on upload and select your screenshot. Now tap on send. I hope your problem has been resolved. If not, it's likely an server side issue. Please wait a few hours or up to 24 hours and it should be fixed automatically.